How to log in to your Shein account. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into your Shein account on your Shein app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Let's begin. First thing first, you just have to open up your Shein app and make sure it is up to date. So once you land on your homepage, all you have to do here is tap on the sign in or register. Then if you already have an account, it will show up like this. But if you don't have an account, you just tap on register or sign in. You can either continue with your mobile phone or email that's connected with your account. You can even continue with your Google account or even Facebook. If you are using an iOS device, you can also use Apple ID to log into your Shein. After doing this, you can just tap on continue and it will ask you for your password. You will just have to enter your password. Just tap on sign in once you enter your password, and if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to log into your account. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.